In this video, you'll learn how to sell a CR7 NFT on the Binance NFT marketplace. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate through the selling process efficiently and effectively. Start by going to the Binance website and log into your account. Once you are signed in, look for the section labeled Binance NFT Marketplace in the main navigation menu. Click on this option to access the marketplace. After the page loads, locate your NFTs are displayed. It is important to ensure that the CR7 NFT you wish to sell is transferable and not locked, as this will affect your ability to list it for sale. Take a moment to review the marketplace rules to ensure compliance with their guidelines, as this will prepare you for the next steps. Next, select the specific CR7 NFT you want to sell from your collection. You will see an option labeled Sell. Click on this option to proceed with the listing process. At this point, you will need to set the price for your NFT and choose the sale type, which can be either a fixed price or an option format. Before confirming, take a moment to review the marketplace fees that may apply to your listing, as these can impact your overall earnings. If required, enter the listing duration to specify how long you want your NFT to be available for sale. Carefully confirm all the listing details before proceeding, as this ensures that everything is correct. After confirming your details, submit the listing for approval. This action will publish your NFT on the marketplace. You may see a loading indicator while your listing is being processed. Once the listing is live, it will be visible to potential buyers, and you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your NFT is now available for sale. As your listing is active, you can monitor the sale status from your NFT dashboard. This dashboard will provide updates on your listing and any activity related to it. Wait for a buyer to complete the purchase, and once a sale occurs, the funds will be credited to your account. It is essential to review the transaction details for accuracy to ensure everything is as expected. Depending on your preferences, you can choose to withdraw the proceeds or reinvest them into other NFTs or assets. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.